all of our things.
Mm-hmm.
Wait, where's our X? Where's our X?
There.
So we got all of our stores.
Where are you, Tina?
I'm here. I got everything I got.
What?
I got everything.
You got?
Okay, let's go. You already videoed?
You.
Okay, let's go. So, you climb the veins.
Don't talk too much. What? Where brains?
Okay, let's go down.
You gonna die.
So, I know this. It's so smooth!
Wait, ads.
You got ads. So, you still videoing?
Yes.
Okay, slow down.
See the light, see the body complete you. See the light, see the body to see you. See the light, see the body to see you and close your eyes. Hey, you want a pool?
Ito sino?
A pool.
Ito sino? Ano
What you doing?
Ito sino? Ito sino? Ito sino nito? Sino lalan? Ino.
What you doing?
No. Hey!
Sorry. I just. It's just an accident.
Okay, let's go. To the another village again. Let's go.
Go swim. Let me see you swim. Look, you can swim. Look at you swim, Tina. You can see my swim. You can see me. Where are you?
I'm here.
Dito kayo, di ba?
Okay, no, here. We're gonna move again.
Ito yun. Hindi, iba.
Let's move again.
Swing. Oh, raw salmon. Is this salmon? Yeah, salmon. See the light, see the light, see you. She green, white, it's a day to see.
Left.
You?
Not here. Do you see me?
No. Oh yeah, I see you.
So I'm right here.
Yeah.
Numbers show how many squares to color. The clue here says 5, which means there are 5 squares in this column, and these rows must be painted.
It's a rose, bro.
We have a 3 in this column, so we paint this square. In this column, the clue says 4, so we paint these 2 squares, and the last one.
It's sunset already.
Already? You just sleep in the water?
Yes, you know. Wait, me faster.
Me, the ads. Bakit? Ba't sa'yo hindi nag-ads?
I don't know, it's my
Where's the
word.
charger?
You're blind. Faster. I found a chicken who's flying.
What, Casey? You said a chicken.
I thought
So,
chicken. Faster, mate, or else I'm gonna leave you.
no.
When you see the many,
I know where you're there.
come here.
I know you're
When you see
there.
this, okay? When you see this,
I know you're there.
Charmaine?
What?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Okay. Bro, bakit ganyan? It's raining. I know you're there, bro. Where are you at? Are you dying? Time to swim. Where are you?
Are you gay?
Where are you? Where are you at?
I want the one with pandas.
Pandas?
Right here.
The bamboo. Look, I'm swimming. That's in the water. You can see me? Let me see.
You left the game again?
What?
You left the game again.
I did. Dumb or normal? Never. Genius! What do you mean I left the game?
Yeah, I saw it.
What do you mean I left the game?
Oh!
How do you do that?
Oh, they kiss.
Oh!
Okay. I need to say the
No, you cannot do that, bro. Di kasi, wag ka naman pindot ng feed. It did grow. Get some bamboo. Yun na sa baba dapat.
It's raining.
Under the sky. Bamboo. It's raining in the sky. I forgot that song. Oh, it's big. The Earth family is just thin. Did I die? I'm drowning. Gina! What do you mean you're stuck?
I am going these natures.
I'm raining. I'm raining. Oh, look. I have 37. How do you do them? Feed. Oh, yeah, I see that one. Oh, baby, I kissed them.
It's not raining me.
What do you mean it's not raining? Why mine is raining? Oh, you're drowning, baby. Baby. Oh, yeah, it's big belly. Look at that. Odds.
5 easy hotdog designs for your kids' bento baon. For octopus, ikakat nyo lang siya ng parang pa-asterisk. Para naman sa Krabby, sa slice nyo ng 4 types ng pa-straight yung side. And yung pang-fifth na slice is slanted. For the hearts, yung dalawang ends, isa-slice nyo lang ng pa-slanting and ititigil na lang using toothpicks. Yung sa person naman, isa-slice nyo lang into 3 parts. And lastly, sa flour, isa-slice lang natin ng pa-crisscross. So tara, lumiin na natin. Sakto naman, yung pasigigin ng hotdog.
See the light, see the light, making well to the dead to see and close your eyes. You get to summer eyes, girl. They were chasing us.
Eat, cheeky.
Gee, you always cheeky. No more for you. No more for you. Why? I can hit it. I can hit it.
No!
Oh, he did hit me. Let's go.
Oh, they have babies.
Okay. There's a manok. Sheep. Oh, sheep. Oh, there's two of them. Paparayan, manalangin na daw. Paparayan. Sheep. Sheep. I kill it. Hindi pa.
Ilong. Ha? Ito?
More babies.
Fetch.
I'll get some more bamboos.
Like and subscribe. Fetch. One. Fetch. Where are you?
Oh my god, there's
Oh, bamboo bro. Panda.
I got many pandas right here. Where are you?
Here. I'm here. There's another panda. Yeah. Turn on ko na.
Go inside na.